Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while. I do hope my camera isn't wobbling too much. I do apologise, I've got a bit of a wobbly table. So it has been a while since I have spoken on my videos, and actually to be fair it's been a while since I've done a video. However, I have been doing them on Instagram if you follow me there. So but today I am coming back to you with a new product. This is from Melodysusie and it is a nail dust collector. So here it is. I have had a look at it, opened it up and whatnot. So there's the instructions on the bottom, not the instructions, sorry. Oh dear. They are the buttons to operate it with. So let me just get rid of the box out of the way. Okay, so here is the nail dust collector. So it came with the plug here, but they also, because I am in the UK, they also sent me one of these so that I can attach it like that, and that goes into my plug. So here we go. Oh no, that's, yeah. So that's where it fits in. So I'm just going to plug it in. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little light there. It's just lit up. That's to say that it's plugged in. It's ready to go, basically. So there is the on button. So you just press that and it starts up. So there are two settings here. I don't know if you can see these two here. We've got two options. So this is the low setting, and that's the high setting. So depending on what your preference is. So it sort of starts, so say I had it on the low setting, once I start it up it goes straight to the low setting. If I turn it off while it's on the high setting and then I go and turn it back on, it'll go straight onto the high setting. And that's how you turn it off. So easy and simple and straightforward to use. Love it. So you have the filter, which is here inside. You can use it up to about 2 to 3 months. You'll need to change it, so that's quite good, really, to be fair. It's quite a decent amount of time. So yeah, I really like it. This nail dust collector is on the website for $55.99. You can actually get one that is a 2-in-1 dust collector. So what that is obviously it's a dust collector, but it also has a place here for a handset as well. I have the previous handset from one of the drills that I normally use from Melodysusie. So you'd get one like this and the attachment would come in here. I think, I'm not entirely sure how much that is, but I will put the link to that one in the description box as well. And I will leave you the link to this. I do have a discount code for you all to take advantage of, so don't forget about that, guys. I'll put all the details, oh my life, all the details in the description box for you, and I am now going to show you a little video of how it works. Not on these nails, on a different set. Okay, so here I go, just turning it on there. So that's the low setting and there's the high setting. So I actually had it on the high setting just because I wanted to save a little bit of time, and I seem to always produce quite a lot of dust. Really sorry about that, guys, my phone went off. So yeah, as I was saying, I produce quite a lot of dust when I'm filing my nails, as I'm sure most nail technicians do. But now the beautiful thing about this is that that dust will go into the filter and will save my lungs, and I love that. It's just amazing. It's so clean to use. it's, you know, there was no dust produced now on my desk. My desk is normally quite messy, and I haven't been using a nail dust collector for a number of years, which is a bit dangerous for me, I think, seeing as I do my nails quite a lot. However, this nail dust collector is so easy to use, so clean, and I love it. I'm so chuffed with it, and yeah, a little bit of a lifesaver for me. No longer will I need to hoover around my desk constantly, so I'm really chuffed with it. So as you can see, I'm just using my nail e-file from Miss Melodysusie, and when you're done, just turn it off. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I completely and utterly recommend this nail dust collector to everybody that needs one. It makes it so safe to use your nail drills or e-files, whatever you prefer to call them. Yeah, I absolutely love this, and I will be using it in every set that I do. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate all of your love and support. Don't forget, all the links will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.